What is drug screening?
Drug screening is a process by which potential drugs are identified and optimized before selection of a candidate drug to progress to clinical trials. It measures the pharmacological activity of new or chemically undefined substances. It investigates the function of endogenous mediators. And it measures drug toxicity and unwanted effects.
What are the types of drug screening?
There are 3 types of screening: the simple screening, blind screening, and programmed screening.
What is its purpose?
The main purposes of screening are to determine whether the new substance are worthy for further attention and to indicate which among them have the most interesting pharmacological properties.
Thank you.